Some manufacturing operations, such as drilling or spot welding, require you to program your robot accurately to move through a set of points. What if you could just program the robot with your hand and a probe to move through this set of points? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a set of robot targets using RoboDK TwinTrack. With the TwinTrack app installed in RoboDK, simply select TwinTrack Teach Targets. You can also select the corresponding button in the toolbar. RoboDK tracks the position of your hand in real time and displays how the robot would reach the same point. This allows you to better understand what areas are reachable by the robot. To teach the first point, simply move the probe into position and press the first button of the probe. In this example, we can create 4 points to represent a drilling operation. Every time we create a new point, we are creating a new target in RoboDK. We can press the second button of a probe to create a program. We now have a program in RoboDK, and we have access to all RoboDK simulation and offline programming features, so we could modify the program if we wanted to. We also added the 3D model in RoboDK to visualize the path, but we don't need the 3D model at all. We can actually program the robot without touching a computer at all. To start the program on the real robot, you can press and hold the second button of a probe. This will start the program on the real robot. In this example, I have a 4mm probe in my hand, and the robot has a 3mm probe. So there is a 500 micron gap between the robot probe and the part. This allows you to better understand and visualize the accuracy of the system. You can also modify the default approach that RoboDK added using TwinTrack settings. You also have access to changing program triggers and changing speed, among other settings. You could also modify the program in RoboDK by adding new program triggers, setting digital outputs, or creating other programs. If you'd like to learn more about RoboDK TwinTrack, simply follow the product page in the description below.